Cap here, 26 for Just Do Repair and Tips, and this is a chunk of resin, actually a grip block, and I don't know if you can see the texture on this, but I think you can see it right there. Okay, this was cast under pressure using a gelatin mold. I would say not to use gelatin under pressure. Here it is on the top, very smooth, where it didn't touch the mold. You see that right there? And then the clay parts inserts right here. That's where the clay sat in. That came out smooth. It's got a good grip, and that's good because I need a grip for this type of tool I made. And but using gelatin, you have to stir it very vigorously with the glycerin, 1 to 1, and you have to heat it up and make sure it is very smooth consistency. But even under pressure, you're gonna get these dimples like this. So I would stick to your silicone for molds if you really have to make something that is has to be perfect. And with the silicone, with the gelatin, you have to use a sieve. Run it through a sieve and get some of the chunks out, and just you want the liquid of the gelatin. Maybe that would help. So I hope this helped you in making your molds. And thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Bye now.